lines, subtle curves, thoughtful design, and a refined color palette transforms this space into a calming retreat designed to bring a sense of tranquility once you step into the house. I am Min an interior designer with SG Interior Design. This is a 3-bedder condo located at Estuary and is approximately 1,195 square feet in size. Entering the place, we are greeted with an elongated foyer which then opens up into the main living area. We intentionally emphasized on this fact and created a half-height shoe cabinet accompanied with a settee that spreads all the way into the living room to elongate the entire space. The curves and the light wood laminates chosen here will also set the tone for the remaining part of the house. To keep the space clean and simple, we deliberately kept the living room simple, with no excess decoration, opting for an off-the-shelf TV console, while focusing only on the built-ins within the kitchen itself. With an open kitchen concept, the sleek and handleless carpentry design allowed us to maintain the minimalist look that the owners seeked. The placement of the dining table was a deliberate choice as the view from the balcony is the highlight of the house. This also allowed us to free up the space in the living area for them to have a bigger play area for their growing boy. To fully utilize every corner, we combined the 2 bedrooms and incorporated the unutilized hallway into a bigger master. To separate the sleeping space from the working area, we introduced the use of a sliding fluted glass panel. This allowed more light to cast into the wardrobe area as well. We also intentionally matched the frame of the glass door to be similar to the carpentry laminates used to maintain consistency. Moving into the master bathroom, we see a continuation of the minimalist design philosophy. The floating vanity with concealed storage ensures that the space remains neat and tidy, while the large mirrors help to amplify light and create a sense of airiness. The bay window in the study room was a space that we had to think of ways to make use of. The extension of the deck allowed us to carve out a desk long enough for both the homeowners to use. Another idea we had for the bay window in the kids' room was to create a cozy corner by creating a frame and wrapping the entire window area with carpentry. Open shelving was introduced to allow the parents to continually change up the decoration of the space while the kid grows. The other side of the frame was however covered to minimize clutter by allowing them to store things away. This 3-bedroom condominium perfectly embodies the minimalist design philosophy, focusing on functionality, subtlety, and a calm, clutter-free environment. Every home is a reflection of the homeowner themselves, and I hope this home is a sanctuary for them that they look forward to coming back every day.